Maybe your trunk is not popping and you're having an issue with the button here. So we do have this trunk latch. When you push that, you should hear that pop. Okay, I heard that trunk pop. I know this is working. If you're having an issue, I'm going to show you where to check in the fuse and relay box in the front of the vehicle for that. Now that we're here in the front of the vehicle, the fuse and relay box is just to the right of the battery. We're going to open that up. To do that, we'll just pinch these. There's 3 of them on this vehicle. We're going to take that top off and then we're going to set it there. There is a fuse puller right here, so I'm going to remove that. On this vehicle, it is fuse 66 trunk release. That is right here in the lower corner, so it's the very bottom one on the right side. We're just going to pull that, and then we would give this a check. You can give it a visual inspection. We'll remove this from the clip holder. So you're going to give that a visual inspection. You can do that by holding it up to the light. You should be able to see that that metal wiring is not burned out through there. After that, if you cannot see that it's burned, check it on a voltmeter and make sure it has continuity. Take our multimeter, we're going to set it to 200, and then we're just going to take our probes and we're going to touch each side, and we're going to get a reading of around 1. And we just want to make sure we have continuity. This is a working fuse. If this was not working, we'd get no reading at all, and it would look like something like that. Nothing would happen. So when we touch both. If it is faulty, you're going to replace that fuse and switch that out. If not, you're going to have to check the release. So currently without that fuse in, I'm going to push this button. I hear it clicking, but the trunk is not popping. So if that fuse is bad, it will not pop. So we're going to pop that fuse back in, and then we'll push that button. So then after putting in a fuse that is working, all we're going to do is push this button and our trunk will open up. So if you're having an issue, first thing to do is go in there, check that fuse. It is fuse number 66. It's the bottom one here, second from the right, so very bottom right here. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.